What's this? What is this? The present? Let's open it. Can you help me? You gonna help me?
I am not as outspoken
Good
as my
job.
family, but that doesn't give them any right to just act like I'm not there and leave me out of things. And I'm sorry, I don't want you to feel like that. What is wrong with you? I haven't been included in one thing for this entire day. I've been sitting in the room like while you guys are all doing stuff that I like it's just like
There you go. Here. Scarlett. Scarlett.
Will you try to pull with your clothes on?
What did you get? Oh. Look, Ricky card. Over here. Look. What did you get? Get away, Roxy. Look at, what is that? Is that an owl? Scarlett, this little friend is just stopping by to say, hope your birthday is loaded with fun in every way. We love you. Alright, you want to see what we got now? Let's see what we got. Say hello, darling. Hello, Katie. Hello, Cece. Oh, someone. No. Give me that. Look! Scarlett! Hey! Look, Mama! Don't rip your card. Can I have that? Look!
That's the sound of September.
Everybody loves to pay less.
Look! No! Look! Look in here. No, don't close it. Look, Scarlett. Look. We got that.
Are you posting my sauce for sale?
Yeah. Ah, hold on.
Platinum power cleans microscopic enzymes. Give you the power of